Hi everyone, this is Alice from China, and this is my partner.
Hello everyone, this is Jade. First, let's have a look at our company. Our company is a very professional company from China. We supply all kinds of steel products, and we can provide customized services and good prices and good quality products. So today we want to introduce the stainless steel. Today we want to introduce the stainless steel products.
Yes. About the stainless steel, it is widely used in so many areas, and because of its corrosion and heat resistance, high temperature resistance, and others. For example, its polishing and foldable, weldable. So it is widely used. That makes it desirable material in many industries. For example, the food industry, others such as the architecture direction because it's polishing, yeah, and home appliance, car accessories, and so many areas. So today, we will introduce our stainless steels. We have so many grades. For example, about 201 and 202, and others 304,
Yes.
and 3016, and others is about 400 series. The first one is about the 201 and 202. They are similar, but they are different in some phases. For example, about the 201, it is the corrosion. It has corrosion resistance, widely used as cheap substitute for 300 series in China, with characteristics of polishing, no pebbles and no pinholes. It is still a high quality material to use in some areas. For example, like the watch cases and strap bottom covers. So another one is about 202. 202, it has heat resistance. For example, the areas used for the hotel facilities, and others. For example, the glass handle reseal. Yeah, it has high density, so it is different from the 201. Another one is about 304. It is used for the for example, used for the food industry. Yeah, it widely used in the food industry. The 304, it is the most commonly used, and this project, it has the corrosion resistance, so it can be used in the corrosion resistance containers, and others. For example, the tableware and furniture and railings. The standard composition is 18% chromium plus 8% nickel. It is also different from 316 because 316, it has another one characteristics. It is the molybdenum. Yeah. So it is higher. It has higher price than 304. Yeah, it is can be more used in the medical equipment. Yeah, it has higher requirements for this material. Yeah, it can be used for the food industry. Yeah, this is for the food industry. Yeah, it is. It has
marine.
marine.
Yeah, marine steel. It is called marine steel.
Yeah, marine steel.
Yes.
Yeah, because it has better resistance to chloride than 304. Yeah. And another one is about 400 series. 400 series. It has ballistic and it is Martin stick stainless steel. So it has no manganese. It can replace 304. Yeah. And another one for the 4 series is about the 413. Yeah, Freddy's stainless steel, good for direction. Yeah, like car accessories, good motorability. Yeah, but it has poor temperature resistance and current resistance. Yeah, it is has higher price than 400.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, and you know there are 4 types of the surface treatment.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is very common. First is 2B. This one is 2B surface. It is a matte finish, and after cold rolling, it is heat treated, pickled, and finished by rolling to make the surface moderately bright.
Yes.
And commonly used for tableware, building materials, etc. And the surface treatments that improve chemical properties, then they will suitable for almost all the applications. Yes, and the second is BA surface. This is BA surface. It has excellent surface gloss. You can see the gloss. It has the excellent surface gloss and high reflectivity, like the surface of mirror. So for home appliances, mirrors, kitchen equipment, decorative materials. And the third is the 8K surface. It is a surface even brighter like mirror. It's very bright. You can see your face in the sheet.
Yeah, it's like the mirror.
It's like the mirror, yes. And the last one is HL surface. It often has surface drawing. This one is HL. It also often has surface drawing like matte street drawing, mainly used for agriculture, decoration, elevators, building doors and panels, and so on. Yes, this is the HL surface.
And we have other surface you can show you. You can say, yeah, it is color coated, but it is also bright. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So many you can say.
You can show the decorative stainless.
Yes. Wow.
This kinds of stainless steel sheets are mainly for the decoration, right?
Yes.
And it is customized, so it has many colors and different surfaces.
Yeah, the surface is so beautiful.
Yes, it's very shiny, and you have many choices to choose, right?
It's for HL.
This is HL.
Yes.
And this is the painted
Yeah. Also HL surface.
And you can see this kind of stainless sheet in many hotels, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
The surface, that's all. Yeah, and we can show you others of such as the pipes. Yeah, the surface is 2B.
Yes.
2B, yeah. And you can say, yeah, they are 2B surface. And others you can say, in a, wow, so long. Can you say the surface is the BA, yeah, BA
and
surface?
And the material is 201.
Yeah, 201. Yeah, another one you can say. Just now it's a round pipe, and this one you can say, yeah.
It is square pipe.
Can you say? Yeah, the surface is also BA surface. Yeah. And you can say we show you the materials. We can say the surface is bright, and we can say it has corrosion resistance. Why it has the good ability? Because like the carbon steel, stainless steel, doesn't serve uniform corrosion when exposed to wet environments. Unprotected carbon steel rusts readily when exposed to a combination of air and moisture. The resting iron oxide surface layer is porous and fragile. In addition, as iron oxide occupies a larger volume than the original steel. This layer expands and tends to flake and fall away, um, exposing the underlying steel to further attack. In comparison, stainless steel contain sufficient chromium to undergo passation, so it can prevent corrosion from spreading to the bark of the metal. So another one is the film itself repairing. Even when scratched or tempered, disturbed by an upset condition in the environment that access, yeah, the inherent corrosion resistance of that grade. But another one you say, it is customary to distinguish in the four forms of corrosion. Uh, yeah, for example, the first one is uniform and localized or pitting. Another is galvanic, and SCC is about stress, corrosion, cracking, and all these uh, forms of corrosion can occur when the grade of stainless steel is not suited for the working environment. So, because it can be harmed.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, that's about the corrosion resistance.
Yeah.
It is different from the common steel.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's better.
Yes.
And yes, Alice, you know, we can get many inquiries every day for the plate, sheet, and the strip and coil.
Yes.
Yes. So do you know the difference between the plate and sheet?
Plate and sheet?
Yes. Do you know the difference?
Sorry, I don't know. Can you say?
First, they are all flat rolled metal products. Yes,
Yeah.
and the two terms are confusing to us. And the thickness of stainless steel plates are common, equal, or larger than 5 millimeters, which means it is thicker. Yes.
Yeah, thicker.
Yes.
For example, this one. Yeah, it's called plate.
It's called plate.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's called plate.
No,
and
it's not called plate. It's the just as for the thickness.
thickness.
Thickness is enough, but the
Oh,
width
yeah.
is not enough.
Yeah, this one can be called sheet.
Yes.
Yes.
So the plate has commonly equal the thickness are commonly equal to or larger than 5 millimeters, with the width larger than 250 millimeters.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and the stainless steel sheet had a thickness under 5 millimeters, while its width is larger than 600 millimeters. Yes.
Yeah.
And the flat piece with thickness under 5 millimeters and the width under 600 millimeters is called, called what?
Called what?
A strip.
Huh? Strip?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Strip is different from the sheet or plate.
Yes, but it had also the flat metal product.
Yes, and
But
the surface is the same.
Yes, but it's thinner.
Yes, thinner. It has yeah.
And stainless sheet can be supplied in flat pieces or coil types. Yes.
Yeah.
The stainless coils are formed by running a continuously stainless steel sheet or strip through a oscillator.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. But Jade, do you know the differences between the tube and the pipe?
Oh, sorry.
It's the same question.
Yes,
Yeah.
our customers usually say pipe or tube, so we just know it is round, yes,
Yeah,
or square, but we don't know the differences.
It's not about the shape, it's about the thickness and the diameter.
Okay.
Yeah, usually we called the big diameter. Yeah, we called it so. For example, this one we called the pipes. The pipes.
Yeah.
Yeah. For another one, you can say was small diameter. Yeah, we called them tubes.
Okay.
Yeah, tubes is about the diameter, not about the shape.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then the stainless steel sheet processes tarnished surface appearance and corrosion resistance as its main advantages. It can be welded and cut through without damaging its corrosion resistance. Compared with galvanized steel sheet, stainless steel sheet is very tough, but it can still be readily worked in sheet metal workshop.
Yeah, and we can show them about the thickness. Can we?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, what's that? Yeah, we can show you about the thickness. The most thicker. What's about the data?
It's 3.877.
Yeah, you can say.
It is less than 4 millimeters.
Yeah, this one. Can you say the data? Yeah. And I'm gonna show another one. This one. Okay. Yeah. This one. The data?
It's 0.5.
Yeah?
Yes, millimeters.
Yeah.
It's thin.
Yeah, it's thin. Can you say the data? Yeah. It's about the pipe, the plate, the sheet, and we can show. Can we show the pipe? We can show the diameter. Okay.
There are many kinds of pipes in the material stainless steel.
Yeah. 看一下。Can you say what's about?
It's 2 millimeters.
2
Yes.
millimeter?
Yes.
200?
200.
Yeah, 200 millimeters.
Yes.
Yeah. And about the thickness, can we use this one?
I don't think so.
No, yeah, we can't use this one because the surface is not smooth. Yeah, we can't use this one. And next time we will show another measure tools.
Yes.
Yeah, and this but we can show this one. Yes. What about? Yes. Can you see?
Yes, the thickness is 1.35.
1.1.
Yes,
Wow.
millimeters.
Yeah. Okay. And another one I'll show you is about the most thinner, the thinnest. The thinnest one is about the stainless steel foil. Okay. This one. It's the most thin. It's the thinnest one. Can we measure it? Yeah. It's about 0.004. Because this sample is my customers. Yeah, it's my customers, and we have, yeah.
Yes.
可以了吗？是多少？
不是你说的那个
是吧？应该是吧。
0.05.
0.5?
Yes.
Not my sample? I remember it is. And you can say about it. Yeah. The foldable. Yeah, it's foldable. Yeah. Okay. That's about the size of the pipes or plate or sheet. Yeah, next is about our processing. For example, we have the two processing. One is the hot rolling, and another one is the cold rolling. Yeah, the first is about hot rolling process for stainless steel sheet or plate or strip. Yeah. The raw material is first tipped into the EAF. EAF is about the electric arc furnace. The heat generated by arc current melts the steel scrap inside. And then, during this process, chromium and nickel metals are also added. And the molten steel is poured to a ladle. Then it is transferred to the argon oxygen decarburization. It's AOD. It's AOD. Current to reduce the carbon content. Yeah, this is different from the carbon steel.
Yes.
Yeah, it's to reduce the carbon content. During and after the carbon removal, some other necessary additions are made to fine tune the stainless steel chemical composition. Finally, the molten steel is poured into molten continuous casting machine, where it is cooled down by water spray, and the stainless steel becomes solidified slabs. As they may finished product, Stainless steel slabs should be descaled first and then be heated in the reheating furnace until they are red hot around 1200 degrees. Yeah. The roughing stand is the first step of hot rolling, where the hot slabs are rolled forward and backwards several times to gradually form a basic shape of the finished flat piece. After leaving the roughing stand, the slab passes through the finishing stand, which is also known as stucco mile. Except for the backwards and forwards rolling, it turns to the slab 90 degrees and roll the sideways during the process. And the stucco mile is a reversing mile with a heating furnace and other auxiliaries. Final thicker stainless steel plates will be packed, strengthened, and packaged. Stainless steel coil can be acquired after the much thinner sheet running through the rolling later. Yeah,
Yes.
it's the processing of hot rolling. Yeah.
Yes. Then let me introduce the cold rolling process.
Yeah.
Generally, the raw material of cold rolling is hot rolled stainless steel coil. The hot rolled stainless steel coil should be first decoiled, pickled, and descaled for the preparation of following procedures. Then it is fed to the famous centimere mills for cold rolling. In this step, the stainless steel sheets pass through a series of rolling mill stands, which squeeze the sheet to reduce its thickness in the cold state. The cold rolling causes hardening of the stainless steel, so a subsequent cold annealing and pickling process is required to soften it. Following grading and polishing jobs are to improve the surface quality of the sheet. Finally, cold rolled stainless steel sheet or strip runs through the sliter line, forming coils, which will be carefully inspected, marked, packaged, and soaked. And the differences between hot rolled and cold rolled. The cold rolled stainless steel sheet has more accurate dimensional tolerances than that of hot rolled, unless taking subsequent pickling or descaling treatment. Hot rolled stainless steel sheet comes with a rough gray finish, while cold rolled has a shiny, whitish surface finish. So you can see the difference. This is hot rolled surface. It is hot rolled surface. It is gray finish, right?
Yes.
And this is the cold rolled surface, and which is bright and whitish. You can see the difference very obvious.
Yes. The first one, this one is the number one surface. Number one
Yes.
surface. Yes.
Yes. This kinds of surface all cold rolled.
Yeah.
Yes. And hot rolled has better ductility, while cold rolled is harder and has more strength.
Yeah, this about the surface difference, but another one is about the size. Hot rolled steels, it has difference about in the thickness.
Yes.
Yeah, the thickness is of the hot rolling sheets or plate. It is about 0.35 to 200 millimeters. This about the plate, but about the strip, it has thinner thickness. The thickness about 1.2 to 25 millimeters. Yeah, it is different. And about the white, it's more than 600 millimeters.
Yes.
Yeah, and about the cold rolling plate or sheet, this thickness is about 0.1 to 8 millimeters. It's thinner than the hot rolling plate.
Yes.
Yeah. This the difference from hot rolling and cold rolling plate.
Yes.
These are all the stainless steel sheet, plate, or strip. About other products, for example, the pipe, and we have others. For example, the bars.
Yeah.
Yeah, the bars. Yeah. Square bar or round bar. We have also can supply them. Yeah. That's all about the stainless steel.
Yes, if you're interested in the stainless steel or other steel products, please follow our live room.
Yeah, and about the CM. Yeah, thank you for your likes. If you have other questions, you can leave in the following. We can answer you. Also, you can click on the bottom. Click on the bottom. Yeah, show you this one. Click on the bottom. Yeah, left bottom. You can click this one and find so many products. For example, I can show you. Yeah, so many products about the plate. Oh, the rebars, we have also rebars. And others, for example, we have also others. For example, the GI, galvanized corrugated plate or sheet. Yeah, and others, so many products you can search for the coil, stainless steel coil. Yeah, not only for the plate or sheet, we can also supply the coil. Yeah, and other sheet you can also search for it, and you can click it into it and ask for our workmates.
Yes.
Yeah, they can also answer you. Okay, let's begin again. Yeah, okay, today is a cold day. Yeah,
Yes.
are you cold?
Yeah.
Yeah, today is so cold, but yesterday is so hot.
Yes.
Yeah, you can say. I can say the sweater, and you can say my partner can.
Yes.
Wear the
T-shirt.
t-shirt. Yeah,
Yes,
t-shirt.
Because yesterday is about 30 degrees centigrade.
Yeah.
Yes, and today is only about 20, less than 20.
Less than 20. Yeah,
Yes.
so cold.
It's freezing this morning.
And I'm freezing. You can you can wear the t-shirt.
Yeah, this time
Yeah.
is okay. It's okay now.
Yeah. Okay, but tomorrow please wear thicker clothes.
Yes.
Okay.
No, tomorrow is our weekend.
Oh
We
yeah.
don't have
Oh
to go
yes, tomorrow is Sunday.
Yes.
We are off duty. Yeah. And now we can introduce our stainless steel. Stainless steel. It is widely used because it's corrosion resistance and heat resistance. And others is high temperature oxidation resistance is polishing, wettable and foldable. So it makes it a desirable material in many industry. For example, the food industry or the architecture direction. Yeah, and home appliances, car accessories, And aviation industry, it can be used in many areas.
Yes, and food industry.
Yeah, food industry. Next one we are introduce about the food industry, which we are used in 8. Yeah, the first one is about our common grade. Do you know the common grade? We can supply so many. But today we introduce about the 2 series, 200 series,
Yeah.
300 series, and 400 series. Yeah.
They are very, very common use.
Yeah. Yes. And about the 201. 201, it has the corrosion resistance, widely used in chip substitute for 300 series in China, with the characteristics of polishing, no bubbles and no pinholes. It can be used in the watch cases and strap bottle covers. It is also good quality material. Yeah. Another one is about the 202. It's similar with the 201 because it has heat resistance. Yeah. For example, for the supplies, for the applications, the hotel facilities. Yeah. The glass handrails. Yeah, it is widely used in the architecture decoration. Yeah. And another one is for the food industry, used in the industry. Food industry is about 304 and 316. Yeah. 304, it is a common material and it is most commonly used for the food industry, and others for the tableware, furniture, and railings. Yeah, the standard composition is 18% chromium plus 8% nickel. Yeah. But it is different from the 316. What's the difference? It's about the molybdenum element to make it has a special structure. Yeah, it can be used in the medical equipment. Yeah, it is widely used. So it has the high price than 304. Yeah, and last one is about 400 series and 413. The 400 series, it is the ferristic and it is margin static stainless steel. It has no manganese, so it can be replaced 304 in some areas. But for the 413, ferristic stainless steel good for decoration like car accessories, good moldability, but poor temperature resistance and corrosion resistance. It is different from the 400 series.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, and there are 4 types of surface treatment.
Yeah.
Which is 2B, BA, 8K, and HL surface, right? First one, 2B surface. This is 2B surface.
Yeah.
And it is a matte finish. After cold rolling, it is heat treated, pickled, and finished by rolling to make the surface moderately bright. Yes, and commonly used for tableware, building materials with surface treatment that improve chemical properties. They are suitable for almost all the applications. Yes, and the BA surface, this surface is BA surface.
So bright?
Yes. It has excellent gloss and high reflectivity. Yes. You can see the light, the reflections.
It's shining.
Yes, like the surface of mirror. For home appliances, mirrors, kitchen equipment, decorative materials, and 8K surface. This one is even brighter surface like mirror. And last one is HL. HL surface often has surface drawing. This one is HL surface. Often has surface drawing like matte drawing. Mainly used for agriculture, decoration, elevators, building doors and panels and so on. You can see the difference. And this is 2B.
Yeah, 2B. And about the BA surface?
Yes.
And number 1.
Yes, this is not the colored surface.
Yeah.
And we will talk about it later.
Yes. Then we can show this one.
Yes, this is the sample copies. Sample copies mostly for decoration. Yes, and you can see many colors and many choices and with different surfaces. This is mirror surface, just like BA surface.
Yeah.
And this is HL surface. And they have different colors. And so if you want the stainless steel to for decoration, you can customize, right?
Yeah, I see another one, Jade. The blast. It is different from just we introduced. Yeah?
Yes.
More shine.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
It's very colorful.
Yes.
And some of them with pattern. This, like this, and this.
Yes, can you say?
And this. Are you familiar with this pattern?
Oh, they are used in the hotel.
Yes,
decoration.
Decoration or elevator.
Elevator, yeah,
Yes.
yes. It's beautiful
Yes.
and shining. Others? Yeah. We can supply so many surface you can choose.
Yes.
That's about the surface. Yeah, not only for the plate or the pipe, we can supply the rebars or bars, round bar or square bar, also supplied. Yeah. Another one you can say, just now we showed the materials. It has the carbon resistance. Yeah, you can see it is different from the carbon steel. Yeah, and like carbon steel, stainless steel doesn't suffer uniform corrosion when exposed to wet environment. And protected carbon steel rusts readily when exposed to a combination of air or moisture. The resting onion oxide surface layer is porous and fragile. In addition, as onion oxide occupies a larger volume than the original steel, this layer expands and tends to flake and fall away, exposing the underlying steel to further attack. In comparison, stainless steel contains sufficient chromium to undergo passation spontaneously forming a microscopically thin insert surface film of chromium oxide by reaction with the oxygen in the air or even in the small amount of dissolved oxygen in the water. Yeah. This passive film prevents further corrosion by blocking oxygen diffusion to the steel surface and thus prevents corrosion from spreading to the bulk of the metal. Yeah, and this film is self-preparing. Even when scratched to or temporarily uh, disturbed by upset condition in the environment, uh, that current depends upon the chemical composition of the stainless steel. To fly the current content, but it is customary to distinguish between uh, in the four forms of corrosion. The first one is the uniform, and the second one is the localized or pitting, and the third one is the galvanic. The last one is SCC. SCC is also called stress corrosion, cracking, and all these forms of corrosion can occur when the grade of stainless steel is not suited for the working environment. Yes, it has different grades for the stainless steel. Just now we introduced about the grades, the 200 series and 400 series and 300 series. Yeah, it has different grades for the correction. Yeah.
Yes.
If you want to choose, please be sure about your need to suit your material. Yeah.
Yes. And there are a large demand of stainless steel products such as stainless steel plate, a sheet, strip, or coil every day. Yes.
Yes.
And we get many inquiries every day, right?
Yes.
Yes. So it's confusing terms with sheet and plate. Both of them are flat rolled metal products, and the thickness of stainless steel plates are commonly equal to or larger than 5 millimeters, and its width is larger than 250 millimeters, 50 millimeters, and the stainless steel sheet has a thickness under 5 millimeters, while its width is larger than 600 millimeters. And the flat piece with thickness under 5 millimeters and the width under 600 millimeters is considered as strip.
Yes.
Yes. So stainless steel sheet can be supplied in flat pieces or by coil types. The stainless steel coils are formed by running a continuously stainless steel sheet or strip through a rollator. The stainless steel sheet processes untarnished surface appearance and corrosion resistance as its main advantages. It can be welded and cut without damaging its corrosion resistance. Compared with galvanized steel sheet, stainless steel sheet is very tough, but it can be still readily worked in sheet metal workshop.
Yeah. That's about the size of the plate or pipes
Yes,
or
the
strip.
the differences among them.
Yeah, we can show the size. The first one. We can show the most thick.
The thickness.
Yeah, we can show you. the material is 304. Yeah, the data is about the thickness is 3.9. Can you see the data? Yeah, this is thickness. Oh, that's one.
Yes.
And another one. Yeah, the data is about 0.76. You can see the thickness. Yeah. Another one. This one? Yeah.
This is called foil, right?
Yeah, foil.
Stainless steel foil.
Yeah.
The grade? Do you remember the grade?
Grade. Oh, yeah. This grade is the 304.
Okay, so it's a 304 foil.
Yeah, foil. Yeah, this is the sample I supplied for.
Okay.
不对。Yeah, the thickness is about 004. You can see, and we can also supply the thickness about 0.003. Yeah, this is the thickness.
Okay, so do you know what is the material used for? The foil used for?
We used for my customer used for the reselling.
To sell.
Yeah, reselling. Yeah. But maybe 304 is used for the food industry.
Yes.
Yeah, food industry. For example, if you can see, the surface is the BA surface. Yeah. It's bright. And others is about this pipe. Yeah, we can show you this pipe. This pipe, the surface is BA. Yeah, it's bright.
Should be
Yes.
It's BA.
Yeah,
and this
BA.
is 2B.
Yeah, 2B. You can see the difference.
The difference.
Yeah.
It's more shining.
Yes.
And has more reflectivity. And this is a matte finish.
Yes.
There's a difference. And this one is 8K surface.
Yeah, 8K.
Yes.
It's like in the mirror.
Yes.
Yeah. You can see your face.
Yes.
And others.
And this is HL.
Yeah. You
HL
can see
surface.
this difference. And then you can see this one is the number one.
It's a hot rod surface.
Yeah.
Hot rod stainless steel.
Yeah.
So you can see the finish is gray.
Yes.
Yes.
It's about the processing of hot raw and cold raw. It has the difference. For example, just now you see this one, the surface is different. It's different. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. This is a hot rod steel plate. Yeah.
Yes.
And this is a
cold rod.
Yeah, cold rod. Yeah, cold rod.
Had better corrosion resistance.
Yes.
With a bright surface.
Yes. And another one in about the difference is the thickness.
Yes.
Yeah, the thickness of the hot rod is about for the plate. For the plate, hot rod plate is about 0.34 to 200 millimeters. Yeah, and for the strip, hot rod strip, steel strip, of the its thickness is about 1.2 2 to 25 millimeters. Yeah, it's about hot rolling sheet or plate or steel. The different the thickness. But for the cold rolling plate, its thickness is about 0.1 to 8 millimeters.
Oh,
Yeah, it's thinner.
It's thinner, yes.
Yes, it's the difference.
And it's for different uses.
Yeah, different uses. And for the sticker plate, it can hold the high pressure.
Yes.
Yeah, high pressure. But for the thinner plate or sheet, it has lower pressure. Yeah, that's about the.
So this bright surface is mainly for cold surface. So let me introduce you the cold rolling process. Generally, the raw material of cold rolling is hot rolled stainless steel coil. The hot rolled stainless steel coil should be first decoiled, pickled, and descaled for the preparation of following procedures. Then it is fed to famous centimeter mills for cold rolling. In the step, the stainless steel sheet passes through a series of rolling mill stands which squeeze the sheet to reduce its thickness in the cold state. So cold rolling causes hardening of the stainless steel. So a subsequent cold annealing and pickling process is required to soften it. Following a grading and polishing jobs are to pickling process is required to soften it. Following a grading and polishing jobs are to improve the surface quality of the sheet. Finally, cold rolled stainless steel sheet or strip runs through the slater line, forming coils which will be carefully inspected, marked, packaged, and socked. And the differences between cold rolled and hot rolled. The cold rolled stainless steel sheet has more accurate dimensional tolerances than that of the hot rolled. Unless taking subsequent pickling or descaling treatment, hot rolled stainless steel sheet comes with a rough gray finish, while the cold rolled has a shiny whitish surface finish. Okay, you can see the difference. It is a gray finish, the rough gray finish of hot rolled steel, and this is the shiny whitish surface of cold rolled steel. Yes. And from an economic view, cold rolled stainless steel are more expensive than hot rolled ones. Hot rolled has better ductility, while cold rolled is harder and has more strength.
Yes, it's difference. So that's all. Yeah, that's all about the stainless steel today.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you are interested in our live room, please follow us.
Yes, please follow us in the top at the top.
Yes.
Yeah. You can also click on the left the bottom left bottom. Yeah,
yes.
left bottom. Please click on the box and search for other projects. Yeah. Today is here.
Yes.
Yeah, stop here. Yeah, and you can also search for our website. Yeah. For the yeah, you can also click on the our company website. There are three.
Yes.
Yeah, three company website. The first one is about www.rijanj material .com. Another one is about www.tanjlu material .com. Last one is about the www.linxu, xu, metal, metal, .com. It's difference. Please follow us next time. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.